This one is the Keychron K2 Bluetooth wireless mechanical keyboard. After some brief research, I think this keyboard is the only mechanical keyboard which is wireless, has RGB backlighting, and has cherry switches. So this one has the Cherry MX Blue switch. This is wireless. This has both the layouts. So you can see right now I've configured it as Mac layout, but it has Android and Windows option as well. And it's pretty affordable. This one is actually shipped from Hong Kong. The lighting effects I'll show in some later time, but right now I believe that this one is a very good combo, a mechanical one which is wireless and is quite compact. So this is what I've got: a wireless Cherry MX Blue mechanical keyboard with compatibility of 3 devices at any given point. So this is the Keychron K2.